Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing a 1-month review of this hair that I purchased from Melanin Doll Hair. It's Burmese curls and I've had it in for like maybe a month to 5 weeks now. So I'm just going to be doing a review on how the hair is holding up, and I'm going to show you guys some video clips on how to maintain the hair for like shampooing and overnight. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So like I kind of said before, I purchased this hair from Melanin Doll Hair, and it is Burmese curls, just the regular plain Burmese curls, not the tight curly or anything like that. And I got it installed probably about a month ago to 5 weeks. I'm not really sure. It's been kind of a long time, so probably a month to 5 weeks. And I actually plan on taking it out probably sometime later this week or next week, just because I miss my hair and I want to wash it and all that stuff. But getting into the actual hair itself, some things I'm sure you guys would want to know. What I love about this hair most, besides the curl pattern, it's really defined, of course, like when you take care of it and stuff. What I love the most besides that is how soft it is. Literally everyone that has come up to me feeling touching the hair, Francis, oh my god, it's so soft, I love it, it's so amazing. And it really is. It's human hair, and that's what it feels like. It's really soft. And if you look in the description box below, I'll have a link to the video where I'm taking the hair out of the box. And even then, we were just taking it out of the box, me and my friend Peyton, we both were just so amazed at how soft the hair was. So that's thing number one that I love about it. You guys should definitely know. The second thing about this hair is it can be straightened and it can be blow dried, so it's very versatile. I personally didn't get the hair straightened while I had it in my head. I did blow dry it out once in an attempt to try and straighten it myself, but like I said, this is real human hair, so it blow dries and it straightens like real human hair. So it's a lot of work, because this is a lot of hair, so it's a lot of work. But it definitely can be blow dried. I did blow dry it out straight, and it got straight, and then when I got in the shower, it curled right back up. This isn't one of those weaves where you have to worry about like not taking the curls apart or making sure that you don't comb it or anything like that, because it won't curl back up right. It goes right back to its original curl pattern with a little bit of water and leave-in conditioner. It goes right back to this, and it's beautiful. And now moving on to some more maintenance type stuff. Starting with the closure, it blends really well with the rest of the hair. It doesn't come bleached. The knots don't come bleached, or the hairline doesn't come plucked or anything like that, so your hairstylist will have to do it. But other than that, like, it might take like a couple of like washes and stuff to get the hair like looking natural. Of course, just like the first time you take out your twist out, it might look kind of weird that first day, then the next day it starts looking like, you know, better. It's like that, but the closure blends well. Not like any more frizzier than the rest of the curls or anything like that. It's perfect. So for shedding, the only time that I noticed any shedding was when I was actually like washing the hair and manipulating it. So when I was in the shower shampooing or co-washing, I would get some like strands on my brush or get some strands in my hair, or I mean in my hands. But it wasn't like some outrageous amount, like I'm pulling out clumps, like I'm pulling out all my bundles while I'm washing my hair. It wasn't nothing like that. So that was the only time that I saw shedding occurred, which is normal. I expect that to happen. So I didn't like see it just like when I would wake up, I just have a whole bunch of hair on my bed. It was not like that. As far as tangling, the main part of the hair, you know, the part that's like freely like flowing from the head, that part didn't tangle at all, but there was some tangling around the nape. But I mean, that's to be expected because it's the nape of your neck, and that's the part that's like, you know, rubbing up against clothes when you lay down. It's the stuff that's the part that's laying down and stuff. If you like try and wrap it or like pineapple it or whatever, I mean, that's just the part that's in like kind of the most awkward location, and then it's curly hair on top of that, so you should expect some tangling there. But other than that, the hair was tangle free. Now moving on to the products that I used in the hair. The doll guide, this is just a little booklet that came with the hair when I purchased it. Inside it has the description of the hair and the different types of products and stuff that you should use on the hair. So the recommended products that it has to use for shampoo and moisturizing conditioner is the Aussie Mega Moist line. So the Aussie Mega Moist shampoo and the conditioner. I already had the Aussie conditioner. I purchased it at Walmart. This bottle, I think it's like 29 ounces or something. It was only $5, and they have smaller ones that are like $3 if you don't want to buy the 5. But it works really well on the hair. Also in the doll guide, it says that if you want to co-wash or wash with conditioner, you should do that weekly, and I did that with this hair, and the curls were amazing. They were defined. It was beautiful. I was just like, wow, like this is really real hair. It's really doing its thing right now. And that was when I used the Aussie Mega Moist conditioner. I didn't use any other type of conditioner with this hair, not necessarily because it was recommended in the doll guide, but just because I had a whole lot of Aussie, so that's what I used. But for shampoo, I didn't go out and purchase the Aussie shampoo. I just used this Shea Moisture Mafura Hot Oil and Manuka Honey Shampoo. This is a purchase I made from Shea Moisture a couple of months ago for my own hair, and I love love the way it works on my own hair. It smells so good and it really moisturizes it well. So I was like, okay, might as well use it on these curls. And it did amazing on this hair too. It made it smell so good. And this in combination with the aloe sesame really made the curls so defined. And for how often I use the shampoo, I used it about once a week, kind of like once every week and a half-ish. So it wasn't like I washed with shampoo really regularly, but I did wash with conditioner very often, probably twice a week. Now in the doll guide, there's not like a recommended suggested leave-in conditioner to use. It does tell you to use leave-in and moisturizing products, but it doesn't say like use this brand of leave-in like it did for the other ones. So the one that I used was the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. And that, I just feel like I just had the best trio of products to use. The shampoo, the conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner that I used, all of it together really just made the curls really so defined, and I just loved it. And I feel like I keep saying that, and y'all probably like, girl, you didn't love this hair that much. But I really did. It really looked so good. I don't really have any close-up pictures of it, but I will include a picture over here of the hair so that you can kind of see from the side, and just like the shine and the luster and everything together. Those three products I feel like really made it pop. Now I'm about to show you guys some clips of me washing the hair so you can actually see like the maintenance and how the hair looks wet and stuff like that. I recorded me washing the hair last night, so this is basically freshly washed hair. I'm recording this the next day in the morning. So I recorded the washing part last night, but unfortunately I could not find, was so annoyed, the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner that I was talking about. I couldn't find that, so instead I used this Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner, and I mixed it with the Talia Wajid Curly Curl Cream just to give some definition, because the Shea Moisture leave-in alone I felt like it moisturized and gave definition. The Garnier Fructis, I used it on this hair a couple of days ago. I feel like it definitely moisturized it, but it didn't define it that well. So that's why you're going to see me in the next video clip in the shower. Afterwards, I'm going to be using both of these products together. So I've already introduced to you all the products. That's just the Manuka Honey Shampoo. But before I put that in, I'm just going to thoroughly wet my hair first so that it's ready to absorb the shampoo. And once I do that, I just apply it to all parts of the hair. And as I'm doing this, I'm working it through with my fingers just to make sure every part is completely covered and cleansed, and to try and work out any small knots or tangles I may find. And then after that, I just rinse out the shampoo with some more water so I can get ready to apply the conditioner. And I'm being careful, of course, not to put my head completely under so I don't wet my real hair underneath. And next, I'm just going to apply the conditioner. I'm going to rake it through the same way that I do the shampoo. I don't do a lot of detangling with the shampoo, so you're going to see me doing kind of more raking here with the conditioner, just to be sure it's completely tangle free. And after that, I'll rinse it out with some more water. And as I'm doing that, I'm going to use a paddle brush while it's under the water. I like to use a paddle brush instead of a wide tooth comb because it clumps the curls together better, so that when it's dry, they're like really voluminous. And right after the shower, while the hair is still wet, I apply the leave-in conditioner and rake it through so it can start moisturizing and defining. And for some more definition, I'm using the Curly Curl Cream, mixing it with the leave-in conditioner so it'll apply a little easier. And after I apply that, I'm just going to let it air dry so the curls can form undisturbed. So that's basically the extent of what I did for like heavy like washing maintenance. And I only did that washing for conditioner. When I was using conditioner, I did it like once a week, maybe twice. And then the shampooing, I did like once a week, if not once every week and a half. And then you saw me using this paddle brush. In the doll guide, it's recommended that you use paddle brushes, and then definitely a wide tooth comb. You don't want to use a small tooth comb on these curls. You don't want to use a small tooth comb on your real hair. And just the last little review or maintenance thing I want to give on this hair, in case you guys were wondering what I did for it at night, this very next clip is going to show that. It's still me just standing here, but I just want to speed it up. My nighttime routine was really quick and simple. I just pushed all the hair to the front, put it in a really loose ponytail, and then tied a scarf around the back and the sides just to add some protection and to try to prevent some tangling at the nape. And that's how I went to sleep. And in order to prevent the ponytail just like being on my face all night long, it was really loose, so I could just like move it to the side so it'd be like laying on the pillow beside me. And I have silk pillowcases, so it was like, it was fine. Everything was fine. But that's all for this review on this hair. And as like a final little recommendation, I would definitely recommend this hair to anyone who wants to buy a Melanin Doll Hair Burmese curls. I recommend it, and I'm really looking forward. I want to make another purchase of their straight hair. I'm not sure when, but I'm really looking forward to doing that because this was my first time buying any weave, and they set the standard very high. In my opinion, I got my money's worth, and I spent $350, $250 for the 4 bundles. Oh yeah, I got 4 bundles, 2 18 inches and 2 20-inch, and then the closure was 18-inch, and it was $100, and the 2 bundles together, they had a deal at the time, so it was $250. So in total, I spent $350. It might seem like a lot to some people, but to me, I got my money's worth, and it was money well spent. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hit that like button if you liked it. Hit it even if you didn't. Leave a comment down in the comment box below, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.